You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. Peace out.
Rather be tied up with cuffs and strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is flossy. Make big deposits. My glass is popping. You like my hair? She thinks just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. You like my hair? She thinks just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it.
This is Bosslady Shruti, and by the excitement in my voice, you might have guessed it by now that I did something really exciting to my hair, and I cannot wait to actually share this whole experience with you guys. So I got my hair extensions done, which are sort of like the semi-permanent hair extensions. I have been meaning to do this for such a long time. Because I just wanted to wake up with long hair, and that has kind of been a dream of mine ever since I was a little kid, but unfortunately I was never able to grow my hair this long. So in comes hair extensions, and I've been using clip-on hair extensions for, I don't even know, the last couple of years now, ever since maybe 2011. Gosh, that's a long time. 2011 and 12 is when I started using clip-on extensions. I still have clip-on extensions up until this day that I used to use before I got my extensions like these ones done. And I enjoyed them as long as they were there. But ever since I came to Dubai, I realized that there is another way of getting extensions done. And it's very common over here for almost everyone to get it done. So I was like, I'm curious and I would like to try it out myself. So the place that I did go to is called KARKAFI Hair. They are kind of specialized in hair extensions. They do all kinds of hair extensions, be it clip-on, be it ponytail, wigs, bond extensions, keratin tips, stickers, you name it. To give you a little detail, I got put in 125 pieces in my hair, which are of 65 centimeter length. I will list all the details down below so that you can refer to it anytime if you are planning on getting hair extensions done. And the kind that I got done are keratin glue tips. You will see in the video, the bonds and how she kind of applies them and stuff like that. And this has just been the second day for me, so I cannot really give you an update of how I feel, but I do have to say that they don't really feel very heavy or anything of that sort. I do have to say that you have to kind of get used to the fact that there is something in your head, but I knew that before I got it done, so I was very well aware of the expectations of pain and results and everything like that before I got this extension thing done. So I guess you need to keep that in mind. And the reason why I wanted to get the keratin tips and not the sticker ones done is because I felt the sticker ones end up showing here and there, and the keratin tips don't show as much. And literally when I have my hair down or up, the keratin tips do not show at all. So that is the reason why I was more comfortable getting keratin tips done. And from the people who had gotten it done, my friends and stuff, they also told me that keratin tips is better for a little more volume, and I definitely wanted more volume, not particularly length, but I obviously did get a little more length, but my main aim was to get a little more volume. So I felt that was the best kind of type of hair extension for me to go in for. And I mixed in two colors, one just to get some highlights here and there, because this way you can get highlights without actually having to color your hair, which I feel is great. So there are just a few, just a couple of pieces which are like a little more ashy, just to add like a little more dimension to the hair. And the lady who did my hair, her name is Maggie, and if you are going to Karkafi, I went to the Business Bay one, so you can ask for her. Yeah, let me show you how I got my hair done. Let go. Hi guys, so right now, as you can see, I am beautiful without makeup. And I am super duper trooper excited because I am going to get my hair extensions done today. Woohoo! So I am just outside Karkafi Hair Extensions, and hopefully the next time you'll see my hair, it will be voluminous and long and all things fabulous. So yes, I am excited, a little bit nervous, so let's go and check it out inside. Sheila, what will I be today? So I'm now at the fixing studio, and they're first going to wash my hair because I need to have like an absolutely clean scalp for this, and after that they will fix my hair, and yeah, let's go. So there are different types of hair extensions, but the one that I'm going to be getting done today are these glue tip keratin tips. I guess you can see it here. I'll also show you when she actually like applies it in my hair. The reason why I wanted to go in with this one and not the sticker one is because I wanted a little more volume and length, and I don't know, this just seemed like this will do a better job on my hair. So yeah, that is why I'm going to I'm going to get around 150 pieces, right? And we'll add more if I feel like it is very less bal, which I don't think it should be. And I've taken like 2 different colors, so I can maybe get like some highlights in my hair without actually having to color my hair. So yeah, now we are going to wash my hair. Like prepping the strands, like just cutting it a little bit so it like fixes better. And after this, she's going to use this glue gun and attach it on my face. So this is the light color one, and I've taken only like 25 pieces of this. And this is sort of like my hair color that is going to go all over my hair. finished here. I obviously am filming this the next day, so now I have a little bit of nice makeup on for you guys. And when I went in there, I went in like barefaced. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry because I'm not ashamed of my bare makeup free face. So yeah. I guess if you want me to do like an update in like a couple of weeks or months to tell you how I kind of how the wear and tear of the extensions were, I could do it for you guys. But from what they told me at the salon at KARKAFI is that this should last you for 2 to 3 months depending on how your hair grows, and definitely there is maintenance that is required because it is it's not natural at the end of the day, so you have to be very careful while shampooing your hair. Not be too abrasive. I mean, you can like obviously get in and like clean your scalp, of course you should, but not put conditioner too close to the scalp. Only put it like mid-lengths to ends, and I guess that's where you should be putting your conditioner anyways. So definitely not putting conditioner anywhere close to the glue bonds. And yeah, just keep brushing your hair and keep it in like a good healthy condition. I do feel like with my long hair I might have to spend more time styling it, but honestly I am loving the way I wake up with like gorgeous long hair. And like I said, it has been a dream of mine to just have really long, like literally navel length hair, and might I say the hubby enjoys it as well. So yes, I guess that is it. If you have any specific questions for me to answer, please leave it in the comment section down below. I will definitely reply back to you guys. And any other details, please check the description box. I will list everything possible down below. I don't have the exact number of I don't know the exact hair color number, but they have like plenty of options over there at KARKAFI for you to choose from, and I guess they can also custom color the hair for you once you like order it or something like that. So yes, you can go in there for a consultation and see it for yourself. From all the other places that I saw, I felt like this was kind of the best value for money, at least here in Dubai. If you guys know of any other better hair extension places, maybe I'll try it out next time, so leave it in the comment section down below. My Dubai fam, if you want to help me out, that'd be great. Yes, I am really excited to flaunt my sexy ass hair in everyone's face. Not really, but yes, also. So I guess that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.